Welcome back to the Arnott install series. Today we're installing the Arnott front coilover magnetic strut on a GMC Yukon with Magneride that covers the K2XL, K2YG, and the K2YC long wheelbase models. I'm Marvin, I'll be hosting your video today, and our lead mechanic Eddie is going to be performing the installation. Let's get started. Before you start, always follow the safety information on the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and support the vehicle correctly. Make sure it is secure, and isolate any stored energy. If you are not comfortable with working with suspension components, this is a job for a qualified professional mechanic. For this install, you will want basic hand tools, a torque wrench, a jack, and stands or a lift, and your personal protective equipment. We will show you where the fasteners are. Your service manual will tell you the exact torque specs for your vehicle. Step 1. Safely lift the front of the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel so you can access the strut assembly. Next, unroute and disconnect the electrical connection at the strut. Release the clips that hold the harness in place. Then unplug the connector. Do not pull directly on the wires. Move the harness out of the way so it will not get pinched. Move up to the top of the strut tower and remove the 3 top nuts that hold the strut to the body. Keep the strut supported from below, or make sure it cannot drop when the last nut comes off. Then move down to the bottom of the strut and remove the 2 bottom mount bolts. These can be tight, so use the right tools and pay attention to where your hands are. Once those bolts are out, the assembly can come free. If your factory unit was leaking, noisy, or throwing warning lights, this is the part that was causing the trouble. Here is the Arnott front coilover magnetic strut. It is designed for GM SUVs with Magneride, and it comes pre-assembled, which means you are not compressing springs in the bay. It is ready to go straight into the vehicle. Install the new Arnott strut into the vehicle from below. Guide the studs through the top mount and align the lower mounting points with the knuckle. Install the 3 new top mount nuts by hand to hold the strut in place. Get them snug, but do not torque them fully yet. You will finish torquing after the bottom is secure. Move back to the bottom and install the 2 new included bottom mount bolts. Start them by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once they are seated, tighten them to the vehicle manufacturer's torque specification using a torque wrench. Proper torque is critical for safety and for ride quality. Always refer to the service information for your exact model. After the bottom mounts are torqued, go back up top and torque the 3 top mount nuts to spec as well. Then reroute the electrical harness, snap the clips back in their original locations, and reconnect the Magneride electrical connector. Make sure the connector is fully seated and locked. A loose connection can trigger suspension warning lights. Reinstall the front wheel. Torque the lug nuts to correct specification and lower the vehicle back onto the ground. On these Magneride vehicles, one more step is important. A qualified mechanic must perform a trim height relearn procedure using the proper diagnostic equipment. This helps the system understand where the vehicle is sitting and helps avoid warning lights. Thanks for watching this Arnott install. Check out the rest of our videos in the series for more suspension upgrades. And as always, stay safe and we'll see you in the next video.